Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. First off, I do have to apologize because I've been pretty MIA for the last couple of days on YouTube. Been working a lot. It's been super busy. It's been super busy this week, and I just haven't had a lot of time to really do any videos lately and stuff, especially in the mornings because I didn't even run on Friday morning. But anyway, getting into it. Crypto does not look good, and I'll be completely honest right now. Looking at Ethereum, especially because Ethereum has been leading, it does look like Ethereum is going to be dropping back to 2389. I'll be completely honest. Everything on the chart looks bearish, and there's a very big chance that's actually going to come back down. This isn't going to be a really big TA, but there's really only two big trend lines, right? You have your micro trend line that actually got broken back on February 4th. On Ethereum, and then you have your actually major trend line that was created back a while ago, but this one was actually broken on February 7th. But after all the news on war, after all the stocks fell off, we are actually down, right, and essentially creating a double top at the 3147 resistance. And right now, not only did we break back under, we closed the full daily bearish candle under 2881 resistance, right? And again, and you have the second the second bear candle created right under it, essentially giving you the confirmation to short, right? So as of right now, there's really only two things that can happen. Either you bounce exactly from here and then you run back to 3147, or we go down to 2389. And I think it's going to be the latter, right? Unfortunately, you did just close a full bear candle under major trend. So it sucks to say, but I think we're going back to 2389. Ethereum has been leading the way for a while now. And if Ethereum actually closes under, this daily candle in 11 hours or in 12 hours, if it actually closes under here, which I'm like 95% sure it will, really doubt that we have a random pop to the upside. It does look like we're going back to 2389. And I don't think Bitcoin looks that much better, to be honest. Bitcoin right now, you see how that accelerating candle on Bitcoin on the daily. You do have, and then you also have this, right, on the 4-hour. You actually have the reverse MACD getting, really inching closer to creating a bear VC on the 4-hour. This might happen today. If you're familiar with if you're part of the Patreon and you have my indicators, you know that I consider this a violent close, and this usually happens on really any ticker. You tend to see a pretty violent move down, right? I'm not saying it will, but there's a very high chance that if this actually closes, we actually get a what is it called? We actually get a bear trigger, a green bubble here. Stochastic is at lows. There's a very high chance that you'll get like a very strong push down, right? There's a lot of that just means that there's a lot of bear momentum currently happening on Bitcoin. I personally have been short since 42.3 around this area all the way down here. I started hedging as soon as we actually hit trend, because we are on major trend right now, right? We are on major trend from back here, right? First spot, second trend touch, right? This is essentially the last trend that Bitcoin has on the daily chart right here. If this gets broken, if this trend gets broken, I 100% think we're going back to around 34.2. And that just kind of sucks, honestly, because I really don't want that. But as of right now, if trend does break, this major trend, this is the last trend supporting it. If this breaks, I do think we're headed back to 34,200, but we got to wait and see. It does look like we are getting weak bearish on the daily, but again, I'm looking at Ethereum as the indicator for what's going to happen next, because if it continues its push down, Bitcoin's going to follow. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.